Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get help in MidJourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get help in your MidJourney, you just simply have to open your Discord server at very first. Then after opening the Discord, you will get to see your MidJourney bot. You just simply have to tap into your MidJourney bot, and from there you will get to see so many options. Now you just simply have to open the message section, and into here you just simply have to type command and then write down help, and then after that this help option will appear. Just simply tap into help option, and then after that simply click to send button. After doing this very easy step, you can easily get help with the guide, website, basic commands, and then extra options and direct messages and others too. This way, you can very easily get help in MidJourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.